Hey it's Angeline. Happy New Year! Can you believe that it's 2020 already? Oh my goodness. And it is also Angela's birthday bash this week, so we are starting off with this Hip Hip Hooray stamp set, which is so cute. I've also added lots of glitter on her shirt, as you can see. And I'm gonna add some more with some Decofoil rainbow shaded foil here, and using the Decofoil Adhesive pen. So I'm starting off with doodling some designs using the Decofoil Adhesive pen. With this pen, you do not need a laminator or a heat tool to add your foil to your cards. All you need is this pen. But a note of advice, do not be ambitious like me by drawing so many designs on your card. Start off with a small portion, you'll find out why later. So once you're done, put your foil pretty side up and just taking your fingers and rubbing the foil into your card. And of course, you can always use a bone folder to help you out. So as you can see, I'm picking through whether my foil is sticking to my design, and apparently it's not sticking really well because all the adhesive has dried up because I drew too much, and this is the result. But do not fret, you can always add more adhesive in smaller portions this time, and once you've done that, put your foil back in place, your bone folder, and voila! Here it is! So if you're going for this kind of design, the artsy, not really there kind of look, then you can draw the entire design first, else just start off with smaller portions. So here I'm just adding more adhesive and adding the foil to the adhesive to get a brighter background for my card. What's great about this pen is you can actually write out words as well to create your really unique design and customized looks for your cards. So here is a closer look at my foil background. I think I kind of like how it turned out to be. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!